When the soldier left for duty, his loyal dog chased after the jeep, barking goodbye. Every evening, the dog sat by the gate, eyes on the road, waiting. Rain came, snow fell, years passed. But the dog never gave up. One day, the familiar footsteps returned. The soldier knelt down, whispering, "I missed you, buddy." They walked home together under the sunset, side by side, and the dog looked at the camera with a wagging tail, saying,
I waited so long.
"He came back.
Now please
Now please subscribe me."